Mogul Special Products, the home of Ferodo motorcycle. The idea of this video is to give you an insight of the history, manufacturing and strength of the Ferodo motorcycle brand. Enjoy it!
Motorsport has always provided the ideal testbed for new developments. Ferodo's links with motorsport go back many years, with hundreds of Formula One and motorcycle races being won using Ferodo brake pads and linings. This amazing pedigree has led Ferodo to be justifiably known as the first name in brakes. The source of our now long-established pedigree first rose in the UK back in the 1890s, when Herbert Frood pioneered the first woven brakes for horse-drawn carts. As the new car industry started to flourish, he then took up the challenge of developing new materials for brake linings needed by the ever-popular motor vehicle. And it wasn't long before his brand and range of products soon came to epitomize quality and excellence in braking performance. But Herbert Frood wasn't content with making products solely for the car industry, and was soon exploring the potential of all forms of powered land travel. And over 100 years later, Ferodo manufacture brake pads and linings for cars, trucks, bikes and trains worldwide. In 1998, Ferodo became part of the American automotive giant, the Federal Mogul Corporation, specializing in the design, production and supply of original equipment to car and motorcycle manufacturers and the aftermarket sector. This led to an important restructuring of Ferodo's motorcycle division and the creation of a specialized center in Mondovi, dealing with everything from concept, research and manufacture through to global distribution.
Here we are in Mondovi, Federal Mogul's Center of Excellence for Motorcycle Products. Our world-leading research and development team work closely with major manufacturers to develop not only groundbreaking friction materials for original equipment, but also to carry this technology and highest quality control forward into our aftermarket program.
The first step in the creation of any brake pad is design. Following extensive consultation with the motorcycle manufacturer and having developed a pad specification, our highly skilled design team sets to the task of creating the desired product. Their knowledge of product application, braking compounds, mix formulae and engineering techniques is invaluable to meeting the challenge and often exceeding the manufacturer's expectations. All dimensions and characteristics are meticulously checked before the prototype pads are made and sent for intensive testing.
This is one of the largest dynamometers in Europe. It has the ability to simulate the brake system of a high-speed train fully laden with passengers. Its awesome capabilities are one example of the tools we have in this R&D centre. To tell us more, here is the director of the R&D centre, Adelphio Zanak.
In this research and test center, we take a brake pad from a concept to a proven product. We can simulate any test on any vehicle, from a train to a mountain bike.
Ferodo has been at the leading edge of friction technology for more than a century. Before any new or innovative Ferodo product goes into service, it is tested and tested again to achieve the criteria set by original equipment manufacturers. Consistent reliability demands stringent testing. Even a product designed for use on a street bike will be subjected to a racetrack simulation to ensure it performs perfectly under the most extreme conditions. Computer-controlled dynamometer programs simulate test schedules. These are often provided by the motorcycle manufacturer to guarantee the material works effectively for the exact application. Sensors monitor pad temperature, vibration, wear, and many other parameters. Any modifications can then be highlighted, addressed, and rectified before retesting. Only when test results prove that every detail of the manufacturer's specification has been met or exceeded can production begin.
This is our state-of-the-art production line, where we're going to take a look at our two types of brake pad technology manufacturing, organic and sintered.
To conform with the high specification demanded by the world's major motorcycle manufacturers, quality checks are made on all incoming materials to ISO 9001 accreditation. The Kanban system is used to record and reorder materials from suppliers, ensuring that all batches are instantly traceable. This information is made available to brake system manufacturers to provide proof of our maintained high-quality production. Our organic production employs a process using patented zinc alloy coated plates, unlike other aftermarket products which use a painted backplate. The zinc alloy stops corrosion of the backplate in the caliper, preventing it adhering to the piston, a problem common to paint-coated plates. The backplates are first passed through a machine where they're shot blasted on one side with cast iron grit. This removes any grease or dirt accumulated during the production process, leaving one side completely clean for the spray application of the Ferodo patented special adhesive. All plates are batch tested to check for the correct surface coarseness and quantity of adhesive coverage. At the same time, the mix formula for this product is downloaded into the latest computer-controlled batch mixing plant. The dry ingredients are added to the hopper and individually weighed to an accuracy of plus or minus 0.5% of the pre-programmed setting. Any mixed formula typically consists of 50 or more ingredients for optimum task performance. The recipe is then transported pneumatically from the weigher to silos before being loaded into the mixer. It is then thoroughly mixed to guarantee consistency through the batch. All resins and rubber liquids are added automatically. Our dedicated on-site laboratories take samples from every mix, constantly checking density and volatile levels before assigning a quality control approval certificate, required before any mixture can progress into production.